Welcome to Xboom. Today we're showing you how our drone technology is transforming hotspot detection in the power sector. Hotspots, abnormal heat zones in electrical infrastructure, are a serious threat. They can cause equipment failure, power outages, and even fires. Traditional inspections are slow, risky, and labor-intensive, especially in high-voltage areas. That's where Xboom drones come in. Our drones are equipped with high-resolution thermal cameras that can detect even the slightest temperature anomalies with pinpoint accuracy. Here's how it works. The drone is deployed to scan power lines and substations from above. Thermal sensors detect hotspots, areas where heat levels are higher than normal. This data is streamed live to ground teams for immediate analysis and action. With Xboom drones, you get safe, non-contact inspections, no need to shut down power or risk personnel, coverage of large areas in just minutes, early detection that prevents costly breakdowns. And Xboom will provide you a detailed report with GPS-tagged hotspot locations, exact temperature readings, area names, severity levels, and thermal images. Thank you for watching.